Assalamu alaikum everyone. Dear student, I hope you are fine and doing well. Today our lecture is about Schmidt's Samoa crypto system, which is based on IFP problem, integer factorization problem, because the complexity of this crypto system is based on integer factorization or prime factorization of a composite number, which is can be written as a product of prime. So, before starting this crypto system, the difference between RSA and this Schmidt crypto system is that in RSA the set of plain text and ciphertext, uh, I I can say the set of space of plain text and ciphertext are same. But here in this Schmidt Samoa crypto system, the set of plain text and ciphertext are not same. So what we have to do in that case, where the set space of plain text is not same as space of ciphertext. It means to say the number of input and output are not same in that case. So in that case, how we can perform our simulation? Because this Schmidt crypto system is nothing; it is just the extension of RSA crypto system. Let us define Schmidt crypto system. So generally, encryption is from Zn to Zm, or decryption is Zm to Z, and where input is not equal to output. Generally, this is an encryption function. In RSA, encryption function is from Zn to Zn, and decryption is also from Zn to Zn. It means if I can say encryption from Z26 to Z26 in RSA, and decryption is also from Z26 to Z26. So the set of plain text, here you can see this one. If I can use this spotlight. So here you can see the set of plain text is Z26. If the number of element in Z26 is 26, and over here the set of ciphertext is it has also 26 element. In that case, set of plain text and ciphertext is same. But in the Schmidt crypto system, generally encryption set of encryption, I mean to say, set of plain text is not same as set of ciphertext. So in that case, input is generally not equal to output. So in Schmidt crypto system, you can take any plain text from this set, Z, P into Q. That it after encryption it map on Z, P square Q. In that case, the input set is smaller than the output set. It means to say the space of plain text is smaller as compared to space of ciphertext. So in that case, input is not equivalent to output. So how we can perform this when input is not equivalent to output? Means to say set of plain text is not same as set of space of ciphertext. Let us start with. So we have key generation. We have to select two prime numbers and compute n, which is p square into q, and compute d, which is inverse of n mod LCM of p minus 1 and q minus 1, where n is public key and d is private key. To encrypt a message m from the space of plain text, we have used c equal to m power n mod n. So, and cipher decryption is like this one. Decryption is m equal to c times d mod p into q. Let us take one example. Say we select p and q, like p is 7 and q is 11. So we have to calculate n, which is p square into q, which is 539, and calculate d, which is inverse of n mod else, taking mod of it means to say inverse of 539 mod LCM of p minus 1 and q minus 1. Let us say LCM of what 6 and 10. The LCM of 6 and 10, you can calculate it and takes it more. Say, I can say this one like, let me tell you, uh, just wait, just, just 1 second. So LCM of like 6 and 10 is 30. In that case, you have to take first inverse and then mod it with 30, you can get 29. So in that case, dear student, if M is like 32, if you can select any M from a set of plain text, which is Z77, so you can take any number from 0 to 77, 0 to 76, sorry, or you can say 1 to 77. Take C m power n mod n, which is 373, and in order to get back your plain text, you can take C to the power d mod p into q, and in that case you will get back 32, which is our plain text. So this is one of the generalization of RSA crypto system, where the student, the space of plain text is not same as space of ciphertext. So so in RSA, the plain text space are same Zn, where n is q into p into q. That is not, however, true for crypto system like Schmidt and Pyler. In Schmidt crypto system, we have to take m from z p into q, whereas c is from z, where n is p square into q. So I just put you one assignment. So you have to study these two research articles and just read it out and uh, write its finding, what they basically find in these two research articles, and what are their basically the how they utilize Schmidt crypto system. And the second article is about the how you can cryptanalyze Schmidt crypto system. So till then, dear student, Allah Hafiz, and these are very very small like assignments. So you have to solve it and just try to solve your own example instead of just taking example from these research article. Till then, Allah Hafiz, may Allah bless you all.